Hello, this tutorial will walk you through the steps of accessing historical newspapers for the town of South Brunswick. So let's get started. We'll choose Databases here and C for Central Post. And the great thing about this, you don't even need a library barcode. You can just click on Visit and Go. It'll take you right into the search interface. So let's do a sample search. We'll search for George Siegel, town's most famous resident, possibly. And we'll choose Central Post in the 1980s. And we click search here. When it brings up the articles, what's really nice about this is the way we normally access this in the old days was this microfilm. And microfilm was pretty cumbersome and hard to use. You could do this right from your home computer, and also save the articles. So let's take a look at this article it found from 1980. There's a range of articles, but we'll choose the first one here. And the nice thing about this is once it brings up the article, it'll bring you right to the spot, the search terms that you used. So here's the paper from 1980, and it brings you right to the article right here. And this can be downloaded or just read on the screen. So it's much easier to use the microfilm. You can also print it here. Some of the papers go all the way back to the 1940s for the town of South Brunswick, so there is a lot of resources to use here, and I urge you to check it out. Thank you.